In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on PC. I will show you how to download and install the game step by step. Firstly, you should go to Google and search for BlueStacks. Click first link in search, and I will leave website link in description. Now on website, press download and then again click on download. Now select download BlueStacks 10. If download was blocked, press on pop-up and select download undefined file and downloading will start. When download is completed, click on downloaded and start installation process by pressing install now and I agree. Installing process will take a while. After it's completed, launching will start. Now if you type in search Brawl Stars, you can't find the game. So firstly, you need to click Open Google Play App button, wait for load, and then log into your Google account. Now sign in. Enter your Gmail account, then password to log in. If you have two-factor authentications, then verify you sign in with your phone. Press Don't turn on a new pop-up. Agree and accept in Google pop-ups. Now when we are in Google Play Store, we can search for the Brawl Stars in search. Click on the game and game page, click on install. Downloading and installation will take a while. When it's done, you can simply press play and game will be starting.
Let's do this!